Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will present about natural phenomena of rain. My name Nur Fadilla. My ID 1915140004. My class in Geography Science and my group in Group 1. The contents of this topic are divided into 5. That is, what is the definition of rain, the process of rain formation, kind of rain, the benefits of rain, and negative impact of rain. What is the definition of rain? Rain is a liquid precipitation in contrast to non-liquid precipitation such as snow, ice caps, and fissures. Rain in the open in the atmosphere above on the surface of the earth. On earth, rain is the process of condensing water vapor in the atmosphere into grains of water heavy enough to fall and usually arrive on land. Two processes that may occur simultaneously can encourage increasing air, namely releasing air or releasing from air to air. Virga is a container that fill to earth but evaporate before reaching land. This is one way of saturating air. Precipitation is formed by a collision between air droplets or crystals with clouds. Raindrops have a variety of sizes ranging from the sweet, like pancakes or like large grains, to small bars or small grains. The process of rain formation: 1. Surface water, 2. Evaporation, 3. Condensation, 4. Precipitation, 5. Rock deep percolation and infiltration, and 6. Groundwater. This is a picture of the process of forming rain. Begins with evaporation from surface water, then condensation and precipitation occur. The process of rain formation: 1. Surface water. Surface water is water that collects on the ground or in springs, rivers, lakes, wetlands, or seas. Surface water is related to underground water or atmospheric water. 2. Evaporation. Evaporation is the process of changing molecules in a liquid state, for example water, spontaneously into gas, for example water vapor. Evaporation is an essential part of the water cycle. Water vapor in the air will gather into clouds due to the influence of the temperature. Small water vapor particles can join condense into water droplets and rain. 3. Condensation. Condensation is of things into denser form such as gas or steam into liquid. Clouds can form if there is condensation of water vapor above the Earth's surface. Increased air will expand eventually because the air pressure above is smaller than the pressure below. These particles, called aerosol, function as water traps and subsequently form water points. For precipitation, precipitation is an event where water falls from the atmosphere to the surface of the earth, both land and sea in various forms, such as rainfall that occurs between tropical and temperate regions. This is a type of precipitation. This is dew, mist, fog, rain, hail, and snow. 5. Rock deep percolation and infiltration. Percolation is the process of flowing air from the soil layer to the lower layer, so that it reaches the surface of the air in the air-saturated layer. About determining the permeation field area required for the type of soil from the test site. Infiltration is the flow of water into the soil through the soil surface itself. In the soil, water flows towards the edge as an intermediary flow to springs, lakes, and rivers, artificially known as filtering into groundwater. And 6. Groundwater. Groundwater is water that is contained in layers of soil or rocks that are below the surface of the soil. Groundwater comes from rainwater that seeps into the ground, then collected in layers that cannot be penetrated by water. Underground water has an important role in maintaining the balance and availability of raw water resources, but for living things, households, and industries. Kind of rain. Kind of rain is divided into six. One monsoon rain. This rain was caused by the influence of the monsoon. The monsoon itself is caused by the influence of the sun's annual shadow motion on the Earth's equator. 2. Frontal rain. The rain occurs due to the meeting of cold air masses with hot air masses. The second meeting of the Earth took place at place called the front plane. 3. Orographic rain. This rain occurs due to the movement of clouds in the horizontal direction carried by the wind. The wind brings clouds to reach a monsoon area and experience condensation due to gradually makes the cloud reach its saturation point so that it creates rain. And for genital rain, the rain was caused by a meeting of the southeast trade and east trade winds. This type of rain also generally only occurs around the equator. Hot air from the meeting of the two main rays into the atmosphere and causes the temperature around the clouds to slowly fall. And 5. Synchronal rain. Synchronal rain is that occurs due to rising hot air from the surface of the earth accompanied by winds swirling at certain points. This type of synchronal rain generally can only occur in the area around the equator. And 6. Artificial rain. This rain occurs due to human intervention in manipulating the physical state of the local atmosphere precisely by utilizing the process of growing and merging in the formation of clouds or ice nucleation. Rain has many benefits, some of which are 1. Fertilized plains, 2. Drinking water supply, 3. As a source of economic for most of the community, 4. Support the success in farming, 5. Electric power source, 6. Save groundwater, 7. Maintain human survival, and 8. Improve air quality. Besides the benefits of rain, it also has a negative impact, some of which are the occurrence of floods, landslides, threats to agriculture, and safety of transportation. Alright, maybe that's all I can present, and thank you for your attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.